Aujourd'hui, je vais te montrer un atelier très intéressant qui va te permettre de développer ta motricité fine et ta coordination des doigts. Tu auras besoin de ta feuille blanche et des bandes de papier couleur. Today, I will show you a very interesting activity, paper weaving. This activity is very good as it develops your eye and hand coordination and your fine motor skills. Let's start. Commençons. Pour tisser, tu auras besoin de passer en dessous et par-dessus les bandes de papier blanche. Tu vas devoir passer en dessous et par-dessus, en dessous et par-dessus pour pouvoir tisser. To weave, you will have to go under and over the white stripe of paper. Under and over, under and over, under and over. Pick any color you want to start. Commence avec la couleur que tu désires. Nous allons commencer, nous allons placer la bande en dessous et la repasser par-dessus. Nous allons passer en dessous et la refaire passer par-dessus. En dessous, par-dessus. En dessous, par-dessus et en dessous, comme ceci. Voilà. Je change de couleur pour la prochaine bande. I'll change color for the next stripe of paper. Now I'll have to start over because this is already under. So I'll start over and then on, over and under, 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 like this. I move to the next one. This time I will start under, under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over, and under. The next one is starting under. So start under and over, under and over, under and over, under and over, under and over. La prochaine bande commencera par-dessus, car celle d'avant a commencé en dessous. Par-dessus, en dessous. Par-dessus, en dessous. Par-dessus, en dessous, par-dessus, en dessous, par-dessus, en dessous. À chaque fois, je soulève les bandes blanches pour faire passer mes bandes de couleur. Each time I can lift my white stripes to move over and under, over and under. So now I start under, under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over. This is under, so I start over. Cette bande a commencé en dessous, donc je dois commencer par-dessus, par-dessus, en dessous, par-dessus. Je soulève la bande blanche en dessous. Par-dessus, je soulève la bande blanche en dessous. Par-dessus, en dessous. Par-dessus, en dessous. Voilà. Maintenant, je commence en dessous, par-dessus. 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 Comme ceci. Voilà. This is under. So the next one will start over. Over, lift the stripe, under. 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 Over and under. Very good. Now I will start under. This is over. I will start under. Under. I lift. Over. Under. Lift the stripe. Over. Under. Over. Under. I lift the stripe. Over. Under. Over. And here I have completed my weaving activity. I can cut out the stripes coming off of the white paper, or I can just leave it like this, or I can fold it like this. I cut it. I have the same pattern at the back. So let's cut what is coming out of the white paper. So I can cut them out like this. And there I have my weaving activity done.